In this video, I'm gonna break down SolidWorks CSWA Part 1 exam. Now, if you want the full preparation for a CSWA exam, you can check out on the link below my full course.
In this lecture, we have to create the following model. So in the task 1, we have to calculate the mass center of the mass relative to the origin. So here we have origin. And in the task 2, we have to change global variables, and then we have to calculate the mass and center of the mass. So let's go to the SolidWorks. First, let's change units. So we can go here, let's go to IPS, like this. Now let's change the material, right-click, Edit Material. Let's go here with Plastics. Let's go here with PET. Let's go with Apply and Close. Now let's define global variables, equations. Let's go with A, hit enter, let's go with 7. Now let's go with B, hit enter, let's go with 5. Let's click OK. Now let's go on the front plane, let's create a new sketch, like this. Let's select a line, let's start somewhere here. Let's go with horizontal line like this. Now let's go here with vertical line, make sure you can see here horizontal tracking vector. Let's click here, let's go right to the origin. Let's go from origin with inclined line, like this. Now we're going to put some dimensions here. So we're going to select here this line. Let's go here with global variable A. Like this. Now let's select this line. Let's go here with 2 inches. As well, let's go with this line. Let's go with 2 inches. The angle between this line here and this line here is 135. The length of this line here, we're gonna go here with 7.5. Like this. And this is it. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now we can go to the features, extruded boss base. Like this. So here for the end condition, we're gonna select mid plane. And here for the depth, we're gonna go with global variable B. But down here we have a thin feature, and here we have one direction. So make sure you have here one direction. Let's go here with thickness. So the thickness here is 0.8. So let's go with 0.8, like this. But we have to change direction here. So let's click here, reverse direction, like this. So let's select here mid plane, like this. This is what we are looking for. Let's click OK. Now let's create a new sketch on this face. So let's go here, let's create a new sketch. Let's go normal 2. Let's select here center point arc. Let's go here to the midpoint. Let's go from this vertex. Let's go to this vertex here. Now let's select the line. Let's connect those 2 points. This one here and this one here. Like this. Sketch is fully defined. Let's go to features, extruded boss base. Let's go here, let's select here up to surface. Let's select here this surface here. Let's click OK. Now we're gonna create a hole here. So let's select this face. Let's create a new sketch. Let's go normal 2. Let's select a circle. Let's go to this edge. Now we can see our center point. Let's create a new circle. Let's go to Smart Dimensions. Let's select this circle. Let's go here with 2 inches. Like this. Now we can go to the features, extrude cut. Let's go here with end condition true all. Like this. Let's click OK. Now we're going to apply a fillet here. So let's go here to the fillet. Let's go here with radius 1.5. And we're going to select this edge here, like this. Let's click OK. Now we also have to apply a fillet here and here. So let's go to the fillet. Let's go here with radius 1.8. Let's select here this edge. Let's click OK. Now before we create a fillet here, we're going to create a ribs here. So let's go on this face. Let's create a new sketch. Like this. Let's select the line. Let's pick any point on this edge, and let's pick the second point on this edge here. Let's go to Smart Dimensions. Let's pick this point and this vertex here. Let's go here with 4 inches. Let's select here this point and this point here. Like this. Let's go here with 3 inches. Like this. Now we can go here to the features. Let's select the rip. Let's go here with thickness second side, like this. And let's go here with the thickness 0.5. Let's click OK. So this is the first strip. Now we're going to mirror this strip to the other side. So let's go here to the mirror. As a mirror face plane, we're going to select here front plane. And here for the features to mirror, let's select this rip 1. Let's click OK. And now in the last step, we can apply here a fillet. So we can go to the fillet. Let's go with the radius 3. Let's select here this edge. Let's click OK. And this is it. Our model is finished. Now we can calculate the mass and center of the mass relative to the origin. So we can go to evaluate mass properties. So here we have 3.95 and we have minus 1.4, 1.44, 0.0. Now we have to change global variables. So we can go here to the equations, manage equations. Let's go with A, 9 inches. Like this. Let's go with B, 7 inches. Let's click OK. Now let's calculate the mass again. So let's go to the mass properties. Now we have 6.35. And this is correct answer.
So this is the part 1 of the CSWA. And if you want the full preparation with the sample exams and all the tools that are needed for a CSWA, you can click on the link below and you can check out my course.